First thing you will need to use these digital coupons is you actually need to get the Safeway app. If you don't have it, you need to get it. It's on iPhone and Android. Once in the app and actually logged into your Safeway account, we can go into the deals in the bottom middle of the screen where you can actually see all of your clip deals, or you can actually just clip deals right here. Now, once you've actually found all of these deals that you want to use, you can actually go into this option. There's two ways to use them. The first way is by clicking on this drop down in the bottom middle of the screen where you can actually scan this QR code at checkout, which will actually apply all of these discounts from the items that you've got that you have clipped in this app right here. And the second way to use them is to go into member mode in the bottom right corner of the screen, go into wallet, and you can actually scan this QR code right here, which will actually apply all of the savings for all of the deals that you have currently clipped in your cart. Now, if you've not clipped any of those deals, let's just say I wanted to buy some Gatorades and I saw a deal that was clipped. If I did not clip that deal, then that deal will not be applied. You actually have to have clicked on this button called here clip deals and actually have these in the clip deals option where you can actually scan your QR code at checkout, and that will redeem all of these deals in store for these digital coupons.